Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and check it out. That color is fawn. It's an early GM color. I got that air intake from Boris from Street Machinery in Euclid, Ohio, and what a great guy to deal with. But anyway, the firewalls, um, the same fawn color. The interior is fawn. You can see we got the inner fenders placed, hung, and then also the grill support. And there's the door skins. Got the door skins, and then hung the doors. And holy shit, when we were hanging these doors, the amount of fine tuning and adjustment that Lynn had to do, I was holding the door and I would look at it and I'm like, there's no way in hell this door is ever going to come in on the bottom and adjust on the, the left and the right side and then the top. And to me, it was worse than a Rubik's Cube. I didn't see that happening, but Lynn has the patience of a saint and did just an outstanding job. There's the gas tank, 69 Mustang gas tank. I think it's 20 gallons. And then we got the rear axle. Lynn has to tack it in, and then we'll pull it and paint it, and then we'll be set in that regard. As we move into the interior, you can see the bottom of the doors. We had to replace the bottom of the doors and then the door skin, and quite a job. And then the sound deadening, I put the sound deadening in the floors and then also in the inside of the doors.
Okay.
You can see where Lynn welded it across. And here's another look at the front, and then the scattering of tools and parts and pieces and all that garbage. So there's, you can see the steering box and the grill support, inner fenders, more of the fawn, more of the it was Lynn's idea. We painted the valve covers with a crinkle finish and then oversprayed them with the fawn. And then, as I said, on the air intake, that's fawn there. So really coming together, we're starting to look like a truck, and really enjoying this build. Taking a lot longer and costing, well, I don't even want to think about that, but taking a lot longer than we originally thought. But the progress is, and the progress is amazing. The process is really interesting, really cool to learn. But you can see the inside of the door there with the sound deadening. So both doors are sound deadened, and then the floorboards. I still need to do the high hump, as you can see right there. But things are coming together real nicely. If you have any questions, any comments, leave a comment or a question below. Give us a thumbs up and let us know you're enjoying these build videos and photos. There's the headliner. I never want to sand another inside of a cab as long as I live. Holy shit. It gets your back, it gets your neck, it gets your arms, your shoulders. I did it all by hand, and it was just a hell of a lot of work and twisting your body. But look at how nicely those doors fit. And just very impressive. We still got to put the fenders on, and that's probably going to be a shit show at the beginning as well. But I'm sure Lynn will have the patience and adjustment, and he's got an amazing mind when it comes to this. So it'll be fun and interesting to watch that. And there's the back of the cab. I'm keeping the small window, keeping the torsion bars, but dropping this thing down low, and it's going to be a nice, fun truck to drive with the LS motor. So again, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. We got a special on thumbs up this month, no charge. Here's one last look coming in from the front, coming in hot, taking a look at the truck in the shop, and just making another pass around it. And also, you can subscribe for free this month. Another offer that we have. So free thumbs up and free subscription. And be the first one in your neighborhood to subscribe. Tell all your friends. Thanks again for watching.